Here is example 12 from R S Aggarwal, page 339. So here it says it is continuous at x is equal to 0. So find k. Okay, this is continuous at x is equal to 0. So let's calculate LHL. To calculate LHL, we have to take 0 minus f of x. Okay. So it will be 0, limit x is tending to 0 minus, for LHL we always take 0 minus fx. So which one is fx? Fx is this one. So 1 minus cos of 4x by 8x square. So this will be limit of, we have to simplify it, right? So we remember 1 minus cos of 2 theta. What is the formula? 2 sine square theta. Guys, this formula can exist in multiple forms. If this is cos 2 theta, it becomes theta. If it is cos 4x, so what it will become? It will become twice of sine square 2x. We take half of this angle. So half of 4x is 2x divided by 8x square. Let's simplify it. This 2 can cancel and it will become 4. Now we will do one manipulation. See, this 2 cancel and it is 4. So this question became 0 minus sine square 2x by 4x square. Right? This 4x square, can I write, just for some time, can I write 2x whole square? Correct? Now see carefully, very carefully. Can I write it sine of 2x by 2x whole square? Because here is also square, right? And here is also square. Just watch it carefully. So we can combine these two squares and it will become a single square. Correct? Right? I think all of you know this. You know that if we have a square by b square, it can be written as a by b whole square. That is what I am doing here. I'm just combining these two. Now one more thing. This resembles a formula that we learnt last year, class 11. Limit x is tending to 0, sin x by x is 1. This was the formula. Guys, this formula has hundreds of forms. Means if this x and this x are matching, these two, if these two are matching, then we say that this is 1. Means instead of xx, it may be 2x by 2x, it may be 3x by 3x, it may be 5x by 5x. If these two are matching, then this will be 1. See here, limit x is tending to 0, sine of, if it is 2x by 2x, then also it is 1. These two should match. Here you can see these two are matching. So we can apply this formula pretty much. And this is nothing but 1. So this will be nothing but 1 square, because this is a square and this is 1. So this is my LHL. I hope it is clear. Now what will be RHL? See, there is no need to calculate RHL because we are supposed to find K. Okay, so let me show you how. I have written LHL here that I have calculated. Now let's calculate the function value. Function value at x is equal to 0. So what it will be? F of 0. So f of 0 is given. When x is 0, the value is k. So can I say if it is continuous at x is equal to 0, LHL is equal to f0 is equal to RHL? These three values are equal if it is continuous. So can I say LHL is 1 and f0 is k? So this is my answer. So we don't have to calculate RHL here by chance, and we got our answer. Next question. This is example 13 on page number 339. It says fx has three values at a different when x is less than 0, when x is 0, and when x is more than 0. So we are supposed to find a if the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, so for that we can find LHL, RHL and function value. So it is easiest to find function value here. See, directly it is given. So what is f0 here? The function value when x is 0 is directly given a. Now we just need to find out either LHL or RHL, whatever is convenient for you, to get the value of a. Okay, so let me calculate LHL. Limit x is tending to 0 minus, for LHL we take this, and this will be f of x. So what is f of x here? We can take for less than 0 we take this 1 minus cos of 4x by x square. Correct? Now let's see here. Limit x is tending to 0 minus, as we used in last question, one formula we used. Let me write it here again. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Correct? So I will use here 4x ka half will come, right? Here 2 theta, half of 2 theta is theta coming. So this will become twice of sin square 2x by x square. See, we are doing half of 4x, which is 2x. Let's continue to solve. So anything is cancelling? No. Okay. Can I purposely multiply by 4 up and down? You will understand why we did it. Okay. So let me explain. 4 2s are 8. Let's just simplify first. 4 2s are 8. Sin square of 2x by 4x square. So can I write it 2x whole square? We can write it 4x square 2x square. Okay. Now can I write it x is tending to 0 minus 8. This is, let me just remove it. 8. What is this together? Together it will be sin 2x by 2x whole square. Can we write it? So far so good. So in this, from class 11th, again we remember this formula. Limit x is tending to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Okay, so this formula is valid here as well. It is valid here as well. See, if we are using x is tending to 0 minus, eventually we are supposed to put 0 and 0 here. Correct? I think you understood, right? 0 minus means we are supposed to find the limit value at 0. So we can use this formula here. And what we will end up having is, if I use here, we will use limit x is tending to 0 minus 8, and what it will become? It is matching this formula. The condition for this formula, remember, is this, that this x and this x should match. If it is 2x, then it should be 2x. If it is 3x, this should be 3x. Okay, this x and this x, these two should match. So here these two are matching, both are 2x and 2x. So we can apply this formula here. So it will be into 1, 8 into 1. And this formula is applicable for square as well, for cube as well, for any power. So if it is a square here, so this formula is valid, and it will be 1 square. So it will be 8 into 1 square, which is 8. So I am having the LHL value is equal to 8. I hope you understood till here. And what was the functional value? If I go back and check the functional value, that was F0, that was A, correct? So LHL is 8 and a functional value is 8. Function value is A. So can I say that FA is equal to LHL? I'm sorry, not FA, F0, because it is continuous at 0. F0 is equal to LHL is equal to RHL. Okay, F0 is A and LHL is 8. So this is my answer. So that is how we don't need to calculate RHL, though I will show you how can we use RHL as well.